ಗಂಗೆ proves that music is beyond language, religion, region, and culture. Thank you all for listening patiently to this program. We would like to continue with the second session, which is Odissi dance. Before that, we would like to honor the artists of the evening. For that, I would like to call upon Mr. Madhu, who is the Chief Coordinator for Sabha. Please come on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all had a wonderful evening listening to the Jugalbandi of Hindustani and Carnatic fusion. Wasn't that a scintillating performance, par excellence? I think they deserve a very big round of applause. We take this opportunity to honor the artists and give you all a brief profile on each of them. We request all the artists to come onto the stage in front of the curtain, please. Momita Mitra started learning Hindustani vocal at the age of 18. She was under the tutelage of late Sri Pandit A. Hannan and Sri Anjan Majumdar. Her present guru, Sri Subhashish Mukherjee. She has performed all over India and also in Afghanistan and Pakistan. This is her first visit to Kuwait. She is an associate guest lecturer of music at Rabindra Bharati University in Calcutta. She is a B high grade artist, All India, B high grade All India radio artist. Could I now call upon Sri Reju P. Raju, branch manager of UAE Exchange, to come onto the stage and honor her. Sri Reju P. Raju. Thank you, sir. Lalita Varadarajan started learning music at the age of 8 from late Sri Korakudi Ganesh Iyer in Tanjavur. She continued the training in Chennai from late Palghat Sri K.V. Narayan Swami and then learned for several years from Srimati Padma Chandalian and Sri P.S. Narayan Swami. She has performed in various sabhas in Chennai. She is a graded artist in All India Radio Chennai. She is a chartered accountant by profession. May I now call upon Sri Vijayan Karel onto the stage to honor her, please. Thank you, sir. On the violin, we have Sri Manur Ranjit. He is the brother of the eminent Datam artist Manur Unikrishnan, with whom we are very familiar. He started learning at the age of 6. He had his initial training under Sri Vakyam Krishnan Nair. He was awarded the Central Government Scholarship and honed his skills under the tutelage of Nedumangal Shivanandan. He is a B high grade artist of All India Radio and Doordarshan. He has travelled all over the Gulf to many African countries and to Singapore, to name a few. Palakkad Swaralaya in 2012 awarded him the title of Ragaratna in 2010, and he was awarded the title of Vadhyalaya Nipuna by GSP Trust. May I now call upon Sri B.S. Pillai onto the stage to come over and hand over the memento. He started learning harmonium in 1985 from Sriram Hari Mohanty. He is from the Music College in Bhadrak, Orissa. He is also a vocalist and has worked with Oriya Music Director Subhash Ram. He is currently working as the head of department in music in Indian Central School. He is also an MA and LLB. May I now call upon Mr. Binu Kamatadi, a well-wisher and a pillar of strength for Sabha, to come over onto the stage. Mr. Binu Kamatadi. Okay, I don't think he's there. May I now call upon Mr. Varadarajan to come onto the stage to honor the artist, please?